About this item: power specs, output max, 19.5V 3.33A 65W, also compatible with 19.5V 2.30A 45W, input volt range, 110-240V/, 4.5mm blue tip, original HP laptop power supply AC adapter charger cord replacement by PowerSource compatibility. This product has been tested to ensure compatibility with the following and many more: HP Smart Blue Tip Model 65W/45W, Elitebook 830/840G3G4G8/850G3G4/ProBook 430G8/440G8/650G3G4/650G2G3/Pavilion X360/Stream 11 Pro G3/Stream 11 Pro G4 EE/Chromebook 11 EE G2 G3 G4 Spectre X360 X2 Notebook 15 ZBook part numbers SK901953337104127-00127-213,349 to 100-and-13,200-and-98540-002L24008-001L25296-002 SK9DA1952331TPN-LA15 Safety/L listed. Underwriters Laboratories, the leading American consumer product testing laboratory, lists this PowerSource product as meeting their standards for electrical safety and design in the United States and Canada. Don't buy potentially inferior or dangerous chargers that can harm your device or worse. Performance, safety, reliability, all of our product lines are put through rigorous